Okay, in this video we're gonna change out headsets, but basically I'm taking the old ones out and putting the brand new ones in. So I'll show you how to put everything together without any specialty tools, but yet you could do it without damaging anything, and it's quite easy and simple. The first we have to do is remove the old pressed in fittings, which I already did, one sitting on top, one sitting on the bottom. Basically the way I did that is I just took a good screwdriver, just put it on the edge till I caught the edge of the old one like this, and then I just give it a hit a couple times with the mallet, just one on this side, a little bit, just tap so you don't damage anything, and they popped up relatively easy. And once that's done, we will have to install the new ones, which are here. They have to be pressed in, but since we don't have a press, I'll show you what I did in order to achieve this. So here's what I came up with. Basically 2 square blocks. I drilled out a center hole through each, and we need a very long rod that's actually long enough to fit through the actual inside of the headset there. And I'm gonna assemble this and show you how it should look. So here it is, all prepped to go. I put the lower bearing case there. You can see on the bottom, that's the bolt. Oh, sorry, and then the bolt is on top. So basically what I'm gonna do is start cranking this, which will tighten this whole section up, and in turn will drive this case into the actual frame of the bike. Just when you do it, just make sure it goes in straight and doesn't go cockeyed or anything like that. Just keep an eye on it as you're twisting. You could, change it around a bit, move it while it's loose, but once you get it going, it should get tight and pull everything in. Now, one thing I forgot to say is you should put a little bit of grease just on the lip here, so that way it just goes in smoother. Other than that, so basically I tightened this bolt here, which pulled everything in. As you can see, it's in nice. So we're just going to go ahead and remove this, and then place the top one on and press that one in from the other side. Alright, both of the upper and lowers are in. Tightened it down. You can see there's no gap. Just make sure it's all the way in. We could go ahead and remove the homemade clamp, and then we could go ahead and start assembling rest of the stems.